Hi, this is Dave down at US Appliance. What we have here is a side-by-side Whirlpool for sale. It's white, standard size, not computer controlled. It's manual, so you won't have any problems with that. Got plenty of freezer space, as you can see. Ice maker and water on the door. You got your crushed ice, cubed ice, your on and off switch. Ice here, water here, nice and decent. Not a bad unit for a used unit. Over here, refrigerator space. You got your control units at the top. Freezer, ABC, warmer, colder. Refrigerator, 1 through 4. And it's had the automatic exterior moisture control switch. Also, it'll be on sale all this week. Come on down. We're right here in the center of Hemet. Phone number is 951-765-0010. We're right here at 138 South State Street, Hemet, California. Come on down. We got something for you.